Welcome back to our Seated Tai Chi challenge. Today we're going to cover balanced breathing. Most people breathe at a rate of 12 to 20 breaths per minute. This rate is high, it's fast, it's engaged as we go about doing things. To move our nervous system more balanced, more towards rest and digest, we need to slow down the breathing pattern. Balanced breathing is much slower, typically 4 to 6 breaths per minute. Slower and deeper and fuller breaths. We're going to use a balanced ratio of a 5-second inhale followed by a 5-second exhale. And that is associated with cardiac coherence and a balanced nervous system. When I guide you through this, I'm going to say inhale, which takes a second to say, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the 5-count inhale. And then I'm going to say exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, to indicate the 5-count exhale. And we don't have to get it exactly correct. We're shooting for the ballpark. We are slowing down, slamming on the brakes, rebalancing our nervous system. And part of that involves the mind. So overthinking it and worrying about it doesn't help you get there. Balanced breathing looks like this. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the mouth. If you can, I prefer to exhale with a sigh of relief, making a ha sound. Like you're fogging up a mirror. This allows us to release internal pressure. David O'Hare, in his 365 cardiac coherence method, recommends that you do this 3 times a day because it tends to wear off for most people after 4 hours. A 6 breath per minute count for 5 minutes. 4 to 6 breaths a minute is where our heart rate starts to form a cosine that follows this inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our heart rate is coherent, matches the breath. He recommends 5 minutes because that is the sweet spot that most people are able to do well, quality over quantity. After that, people tend to drift off. I'm a Qigong practitioner, so I prefer embodied practice using a Tai Chi form such as lifting palms, the simplest form that I can choose to link the breath with the motion, and using muscle memory to do the counting. That way I can use a relaxed and focused mind to go deeper and get more benefits. Lifting palms looks like this. With the back of the hand on your lap as you're seated, you just bend at the elbow and lift your palms up. And then you drop your hands down, either to your lap or to your sides, as you wish, breathing in as you lift your palms, breathing out as you drop your palms. And if we do this for 30 repetitions, 1 up and 1 down is a repetition or a breath cycle, that should take us roughly 5 minutes. Again, we're not worrying about this, we're not overthinking it, we're relaxing our mind, our body, linking our breath to our practice. If you would, follow me in that practice now. You can close your eyes if you feel safe. And inhale as you lift your palms. Exhale as you drop your palms. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Floating up and sinking down. Do a check-in. How do you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. So this is a simple method that you can take 5 and repeat as needed. Balanced breathing gives you a quick nervous system reset that you can perform anytime, any place. And you don't have to link the breath to the motion. You can just use your embodied memory, your body memory, and inhale. And exhale. Notice the shift and return to it anytime you need another pause.